Riddle me this. What's the one thing that immediately pops up as soon as a web page is loading, makes you smash that no button repeatedly, and still makes you feel bad about your choice? The answer? A pop-up, or rather a sign-up form done completely wrong. Which is a shame, because sign-up forms are the quickest and most affordable tools to offer an incentive, capture leads and build your list, convert into subscribers, and ultimately into buyers. Luckily, in this video, you'll learn not only how to do sign-up forms the right way, but you'll know how to tailor them for engagement and get so much more than just an email address from your subscribers. And it has to do with the little known facts about how desire works inside of our brains. Ready? Let's go. What's a sign-up form? So let's get the obvious out of the way. What's a sign-up form? And why should you care about it for your email marketing strategy? In a nutshell, a sign-up form is a friendly invitation for people to join your list and get updates, exclusive promos, freebies, and so much more. Think of this like a way for them to become part of your club. This makes it a very powerful tool to grow your list and therefore getting more clients easily. Now, not every sign-up form is the same or gets you the same results. So let me tell you about the three main ones: the pop-up, the flyout, and the embedded form. Types of sign-up forms. Now let's explore each one to understand their functions better. Pop-up. You've probably seen these while shopping online. They can be a bit intrusive, and that's why they're highly effective and are commonly used to ask for your information. Flyout. A more subtle version of the pop-up, sliding from the side of the screen. It's effective and can lead to a faster list growth. Embedded form. These are on the website's footer or other pages, collecting infos like emails, birthdays, and more. Here are some examples of SMS and birthday collection forms we embedded on our clients' websites. Here's a good rule of thumb. The more optimized your sign-up forms become, the faster you can scale your revenue from email and SMS. It's a no-brainer, right? And instead of relying on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, your list is a marketing channel you own 100% with very few restrictions. It's time to create your very first sign-up form. For this example, I'll be focusing on the Welcome Series pop-up, which is one you can go and install right after this video. Make sure the Klaviyo snippet is up and running inside of your e-commerce platform. This is a little snippet of JavaScript code that will allow Klaviyo to successfully display your pop-up on your website. By this point, if you watch our account setup video, your account should be already fully integrated with Klaviyo. If you're still missing this step, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video down below. Let's set up your pop-up now. First, select sign-up forms. Next, click on the Create Sign-up Form button. Now you'll need to select the type of sign-up form you'd like to create. Klaviyo uses little gray circles beside each sign-up form option for easy reference of what is what. For this video, I'll go with a pop-up. I'll choose this one because I like the visual component on the side here, and it collects email and SMS. The pop-up summary on the top left indicates again what this form does. One quick confirmation, all set. It's time to name your form. At Klaviyo, we use a specific naming convention to maintain everything nice and organized. It follows the format, target audience, and offer. For instance, for a welcome pop-up targeting new visitors and offering a 10% off discount, we'll name it New Visitors 10% Off. You'll then need to select a list that triggers the welcome series. Let's go with newsletter and then click on Create Form. Once you've clicked on Create Form, you'll be inside of Klaviyo's visual editor. I'll guide you through its interface, which includes styles, targeting and behavior, and blocks. Now let's configure your new sign-up form. We'll proceed to the next elements. Blocks. This is an easy drag and drop editor to add elements like first name, phone number, and coupon code to your pop-up. Spoiler alert, you'll learn how to set it up completely at the end of this video. Targeting and behavior. This is how you decide when and how your sign-up form is going to show up. Focus on show based on rules to set conditions for displaying the form. We have three main options here. The first, exit intent pop-up. This one triggers when a visitor is about to leave the page. Show X seconds after page load. Here in Klaviyo, we base the delay off of the average new visitor session time, which can be found inside of your Google Analytics. If, for example, your average new visitor session time is 60 seconds, you'd want your pop-up to appear after about 60 seconds of that time, which is right around that 36-second mark. We found this time ideal as it ensures your pop-up doesn't appear too soon and disrupt your visitor, or too late when they're about to leave. Our next option, show after scrolling a percentage of the page, sets the pop-up to appear after a user scrolls a certain percentage of your homepage. We're going to choose both of these options. Now, if you scroll a bit down regarding the don't show again after submitting form setting, Show again after a number of days after closing. Don't worry too much about it. We've got a little teaser waiting for them at the bottom of the page. Oh, and one more thing, know your audience. If your traffic is mostly on mobile, make sure your pop-up looks great on those small screens. Always mobile first, my friend. But don't worry, we'll make it look awesome for desktop too. Check this out. See how your pop-up looks on mobile? Just click on the top right. It's all about making those first impressions. And that's what we're aiming for. Here's a pro tip. Mobile pop-ups usually go vertical, so no need to stress about fitting big images. Simplicity is your greatest ally here. Now, let's talk about targeting. By visitor, we're creating a pop-up for new customers, so we're gonna select Don't Show to existing Klaviyo profiles. By URL, show the pop-up on specific pages or exclude it from others. Quick tip, keep it away from /cart pages. By locations. This helps you go global, as it displays the sign-up form only in specific countries, perfect for running different marketing promotions in different places. Now, let's explore styles. Klaviyo's newest settings that makes your life easy. With just a simple click, you can switch between different types of sign-up forms. You can change your pop-up to a flyout or an embedded form easily. You can adjust the size here and customize the dimensions to fit your needs. Oh, and don't forget to be creative with your side image. Choose an image to display on either side of the pop-up. Use a lifestyle image, an engaging GIF, or any picture related to your products or niche. And that's not all. You can tweak the colors and many other features to match your brand style and personality. We're almost there, just a few more steps. Important steps before setting it live. Now, as promised, a few important settings you want to make sure you have before setting things live. Call to action. Connect your pop-up to the right list in your Klaviyo account. Simply click the call to action and check List to Submit. Make sure it's showing the correct list, like newsletter in this case. First name field. If you've added the first name field, ensure the settings are synced to the appropriate custom property in Klaviyo. In this case, the profile property should be first name. Double check by clicking on the input as we did before. In case you haven't done so yet, remove double opt-in from every subscriber list. You don't need an additional step to keep your list clean. Double opt-in pretty much ruins your list growth. Here's how to do it. First, you go to the List and Segments tab, select the list, and go to its settings. Scroll down and under opt-in process, select single opt-in. Quick note, this feature works for paid Klaviyo accounts only. SMS collection form. When it comes to SMS collection form, you've got a few options. Option number one, add SMS to your main email pop-up. You can include the SMS field on the same slide or a separate slide alongside the email collection inside your main pop-up. This way, users can provide their email and SMS number in one go. Option number two, create a standalone pop-up. Alternatively, you can make a separate pop-up or flyout form specifically for SMS collection. You can show this form before or after collecting emails, targeting existing subscribers. The teaser is a useful function with two main purposes. Re-engagement. If a visitor closes your pop-up, they can still click on the small teaser bubble to sign up later and take advantage of your offer. Silent display. The teaser can quietly stay on the screen, providing a less intrusive way for potential subscribers to engage with your pop-up. You can set a teaser up by clicking here and changing the copy and design. Pretty simple, right? Success page. Now let's talk about the last piece of the puzzle, your success page. Adding the coupon code to your success page can greatly improve your conversion rate. Customers will receive your coupon code immediately and can use it at the checkout page. To add the coupon code, go to the Blocks tab and drag the coupon option. You have two options, dynamic or static codes. Dynamic codes are unique like this one, and static codes are more general, like welcome 10 or hello 20. If you choose static, set it up first in Shopify. It's pretty straightforward. For dynamic codes, click on Create Unique Shopify Coupon in Klaviyo. In fact, it's easier than it's ever been. Remember to give it a unique name because you can't change it afterward. Add a Q prefix like this one. Set the rest of the details and click Create. Also, have a fallback coupon code like Welcome 10 just in case your unique coupon code stops working for some reason. With this setup, you can easily kickstart your email and SMS subscriber growth and boost your revenue. In an upcoming video, I'll show you how to further enhance your pop-up and delve into A/B testing features. But for now, the information provided should be more than enough to get you started. It's time to kickstart your email and SMS subscriber growth and boost your revenue.